I just saved Big Dick RNG Naruto the 6th Hokage by killing Tsar Putin.
Big Dick RNG. I love that that's like...
It's the longest name I've ever had to read out. I was reading and I'm like, when does it
I'm on
end?
a golden knife.
Oh, okay.
I had a big gun.
Yeah. Dang it.
Wasn't
Me
much you
again.
could do. Yeah, I just spawn camped you, so there wasn't much you could do.
I thought I'd have the drop on you now that I spawned again, but I didn't. Oh my god!
Oh, that's unfortunate. I'm like in your spawn too.
That wasn't even you!
Oh, I shot someone else in the head and made you scream.
God damn it.
I just got this game on lock.
How many times does it take for me to kill you? I don't understand.
None of your team can kill me! I'm immortal!
Oh,
I totally died.
Damn it! I wanted it to be me. Yeah.
I couldn't land any B-hops, but now I'm landing like 1 or 2. Oh, it's you!
Damn it!
Oh no. Ah, look at what's his face.
Oh.
Pain Train. I got a heck of a game going right here.
I even
Just waiting to open that door.
oh god, it was. Oh man, that hurt. Bitch.
Ah!
Oh,
Oh, unfortunate.
scared the shit out of me. I didn't think you see you coming.
Okay. Very unfortunate what's about to happen to you.
Ah!
Ah, dang it!
You scared the shit out of me because I died right after you said that.
Oh my god. I got backstabbed with the golden knife.
Oh no.
Whoa, whoa, ouch, ouch, on the right.
Got it.
Nice.
You see that one? That
Nice.
wasn't blah blah blah. That was big. Oh, big. Big Nig KKK. Big boy.
Ah, behind you!
Ah!
You have a gun?
Scared me.
While you're like pronouncing his
Yeah.
name.
His absolutely repulsive name.
Where'd
Oh,
they both come from?
hallway.
Oh, what was that?
What was he doing?
Check behind. Make sure he doesn't. Oh, there he is.
He looked away from me.
Right. The right hall.
Nice, ace. Almost.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, I got a gun from him. I didn't have to buy one. Nice.
Plant,
Wow,
plant, plant!
Jesus. That plant money.
Yes, yes! Yes! Felt good. Dog.
Oh god.
As soon as I saw him poke his little head out, I'm like, dude. Eagle.
Oh, the rare eagle spin animation.
Oh. Don't let it go to
Wow.
your head, though.
This means I'm invincible. Oh god.
Oh! Hello?
I was like, this means I'm invincible, and then get shot in the head. That was
Yeah,
so
that
sad.
sucked a lot.
It's understandable. Oh wow.
Oh!
Oh, nice, nice. Oh nice.
Wow! Oh god.
What is this guy's mic?
Booper booper bear.
That was the worst thing I've ever heard.
Ooper putete, ooper putete.
I kind of wanted to MVP again so I can hear that like song.
Ooper putete, ooper putete.
Oh!
Oh, there it is. What a
It's the weirdest shit. Tupa 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 a.
Dupar dupar duparte. What a
Oh my
great song.
god, please stop.
God, I'm thick ogre. God. What a volatile name.
Thick ogre.
There's a guy adopted here. There you go. Oh boy.
Puta tupa
Two coming in, one elbow, and one
Elbow?
Elbow?
You buffoon.
Yeah.
Y'all making this shit up.
Elbow like
Oh
the
my
macaroni.
gosh.
Also, 2 other people have ruined the spot.
Yeah. Shooting the head.
Rattling. We're speaking in like.
Oh.
Oh boy.
I'd reload.
Oh!
Never mind.
Man.
Now this is a knife.
Now this is alright, you know what, yeah.
How's your day,
You can just-
Bionicle?
Bionicle.
It's not Bionicle.
I'll say Bionicle if I want to.
It is not my name. So
I don't
will
give
not
a shit.
respond.
What's your name? Barbecue Boy or something? I don't like. What is it? Leviathan? They call you
Latvian.
Bionicle Latvian.
Sounds like someone had a bad day.
That's a made-up word, dude. Don't even try to convince me.
Latvia's a country.
Yes, it is.
That's Doctor Doom's country, dude. Don't.
That is Latveria, dumbass.
Of course you would know.
Show me the country and I'll believe it.
Yeah, show me on a map right now.
He'll delete the country.
Do you know where Poland is? It's north of Poland.
Dog, now you're just making up names.
And
Yeah, you're just making up countries now. That doesn't exist. How the turns of table.
How the turntables.
That's not the expression.
No, he wasn't close at all.
Shut your mouth.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm dead. I'm mid. Monkey angry, need banana.
3 bombs on B.
Whoa there, boy.
Banana.
Whoa
You got
there,
a
boy.
banana?
No, banana's not for you. It's for the monkey. Dangle above him.
Bro, yellow.
Probably not at all. We think it's funny because we're like retards.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
That was the monkey. That was the monkey.
True is true. I'm dead. I'm so shit at this game. How did I get on my 84 to it?
Fuck. Nice.
Okay.
Oh, whoa.
That felt
Got
terrible.
assassinated. That had political
That
intent.
felt terrible. Let's go somewhere else. This place blows.
I'm thinking Arby's.
I love Arby's.
The guy called Hunter.
Yeah.
Mozzarella sticks are underrated.
Fitting for a hunter to like Arby's.
Fuck you.
I've never once heard anyone mention Arby's butter bread, whatever. So
I said mozzarella sticks. What the fuck?
I don't care what you said.
Butter
alright?
bread? What the?
I'm sorry,
I'm not the
Chugula.
one
You're in the wrong
speaking.
here.
But yeah, well, I'll be in the wrong, like 360 no scope.
You own the
Yeah, you're still in the wrong.
He's dead.
Nice, Frank. Or should I say big cock, man?
What the fuck?
Hey man, learn to take a compliment. Come on.
Hey, come on, dude. I freaking complimented you and you throw it back in my face.
Do you guys
Tell you
watch
what, in
Intones?
CSGO, you just start strafing and switching your weapons fast. And 10% better at this game.
Like that?
This is a marathon of a game.
I want you to take this C4 and shove it up your ass.
Amen, Smithers.
Duke Nukem in my lobby? No.
Couldn't be.
I thought he died in Benghazi.
This is Baganga.
Okay.
Ow.
Sorry. I'm not sure how that happened. I'm not gonna lie to you. Jeez, I'm gonna watch
Betrayal.
this later and see.
Oh, Murdoch, I'm so sorry. My instincts
Oh,
kicked
you
in.
killed him.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, this is where we die.
This may be where you die. But I'm a survivor. Fuck! How did he get both of us?
Oh my god.
I wonder what that smoke smells like.
Smoke.
Fuck you.
Switch up.
Someone ring the bell before we leave. Everyone rings the bell.
That's the kind of team spirit we need around here.
I'm
Crouching.
hearing like somebody scoping over here.
Ethan scoped 3 times.
You like that?
Don't shoot me.
That fish didn't die.
Killed him. You killed that fish.
Oh, he's not
It's
moving.
anymore.
Shit.
Shoot one.
Oh, okay.
Who's up?
Someone dies.
We're shooting fucking fish in a barrel.
Someone dies. Like their whole life just extinguished because they shoot fish. Couldn't protect.
Couldn't fucking control myself.
Can't attack any more teammates.
The menace has been defeated.
Oh my
God.
god. What an idiot.
Wow.
Oh my god. Instantly I die.
Yo, I just got a collat on 2 chickens.
Nice.
Oh no, he's second mid.
Did you use every part of their body afterwards?
Yeah, I did. There's virtually nothing left.
Oh, that's the wrong side. Go left, go left, go left.
Left?
Oh.
Oh no.
No, whatever, just... Oh god, just do something. They're in there, they're in there. He's saying go to the complete other site, but this works. No, just kill him, just kill him. Oh my god, you're
You
gonna...
like that?
I
My nerves
do and I
are
don't at
on
the same time. He's behind you!
Oh shit, where is he at?
Right there, on the left, on the left. Oh no, he's right there, you're right, I'll let you play. Jesus Christ, Ethan.
Yeah, have some more faith in me, brothers.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie to you, I both liked and hated that at the same time.
Never underestimate the sheer luck of a chronic dumbass.
Orange.
That horrified me.